night. I only have one wish for the shooting star. Holy night, send me someone to love so I can hold their hand while we're ice skating round the trees in Central Park. Kiss them under the mistletoe. Oh, I want a Christmas kind of spark. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his arrow straight to my heart? A waterfall in love this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all. Turtle doves and all my favorite things come in sets of two. So does love. Send me someone I can talk to. We'll share stories of our childhood, memories of Christmas past. Chestnuts on an open fire and another log to make it last. We'll build Frosty the Snowman and dance along with the Christmas band, and then we'll fly like two old lovebirds walking around a winter wonderland. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his arrow straight to my heart? A waterfall in love this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all. Send me an extra stocking to hang next to me on the wall. Santa, send me your love for Christmas, and that would be the greatest gift of all.
Dear FAIRPLAY community, we are completing a very challenging but also successful year 2023.
Our mission One FAIRPLAY started, and we have seen already this year the first results.
Very important for us is the recruiting of new and young seafarers. So in total more than 50 people started within our group, and also, which is a matter of course, we added 5 tugs to our fleet, so we are on the right track to grow with our company.
What is also high on the agenda is the focus on the sustainability goals, which are now in line with the UN ones.
We also worked on the visibility of our company, which you all see on social media, and for example the Harbor Birthday in Hamburg this year was a very, very great success.
So this is a time to thank you all for the great journey, and we hope we all stay tuned.
Hashtag strong connection, and now we wish you and your families a very nice festive season and a good start into 2024.